Hey friends, welcome back to our channel the Aviation Tracker. So today we are going to show you something different. Today we are going to talk about the same simulator. In fact, today we are going to show you the event which took place 2 weeks back in London Heathrow Airport by British Airways. So to celebrate their 100 years of completion, they have recently bought the Airbus A350-1000XWB. So this is a brand new aircraft. Actually, this is the first A350. So we hope that they might have designed it well. So you might have seen a previous videos of the simulator of showing the few takeoffs of military aircrafts. If you haven't, please watch it and write down your reviews in the comment section. So let's get started. So first, we'll show you the official making and delivering video of that aircraft from Airbus to the making center of the British Airways hangar. Let's see. So this was actually the official making video, and now it's time to see the official video of the event which was shot by the British Airways. So let's check that out.
It's been about 3 years in the planning for our Airbus 350. It's taken a lot of efforts from all parts of the business, whether it's engineering, operations, logistics, training, the safety teams, all have come together to work very hard to get together to make sure that we can do this today. It is a very proud moment for all of us. It's moments like this that we tend to be able to celebrate because it is proud moments that celebrates for our colleagues, for all of us who have actually been waiting for this moment and working very hard to get this aircraft ready to enter into service.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
Customers are going to love the A350. There's so much innovation on the aircraft. It's extremely comfortable, as well as being customer friendly. It's very crew friendly. It's going to be a great experience for everybody.
I just had a tour. What a marvelous airplane. Beautiful club suites, and every class has gone better than the previous generation. I've seen this is a good investment by British Airways, and I can't wait to see how excited the passenger will be on this airplane.
So the aircraft nearly measures up to 74 meters from nose to tail. The Airbus A350 is the longest fuselage version of Airbus, the all-new family of twin-aisle wide-body jetliners. It flies approximately 85% of the speed of light. Can you imagine? in a typically 3-class configuration featuring the company's 18-inch wide economy class seats for the modern comfort. The A350-1000 seats between 350 and 400 passengers. So, who can expect a spacious and quiet cabin, wider seats and elegant ambient lighting that contributes to a beautiful interior while also minimizing the effects of jet lag. The aircraft has entered into service in February 2018. So now, let's check out few clips that the travelers had captured on the day of its flight.
It's been about 3 years in the planning for our Airbus 350. It's taken a lot of efforts from all parts of the business, whether it's engineering. Very proud, there's a few members of my team on the design team, as you can understand. We are very focused on customer experience as well. We have people that we work with across from operations, logistics, training, the safety teams. All have come together to work very hard.
The capacity of A350 is too much, having a lot of cargo space too. They actually have one of the most best first class and one of the most best material used in these seats. It actually has a range of 16,000 kilometers, having a twin Rolls-Royce engine with Trent XWB-97 version. Pretty good aircraft. So now, let's have a look of its first takeoff from London to Madrid.
This is the Airbus A350-1000, a really long aircraft. Here it is, incredible. And we have an initial order of 18 aircraft, but we have some options to go beyond if we want. We are going to be busy with those 18 aircraft for a while. We begin to fly to Madrid. It'll be twice a day, 2 return flights. You may wonder why Madrid. It makes a tremendous amount of sense because already our partner sister airline, Iberia, has the 350. They've got, I think, 5 in total at the moment. And they will be able to assist us with turning the aircraft around, etc. From there on, we plan to take the aircraft into service in Dubai, September 2nd, Toronto, October 1st, Tel Aviv in December, probably in the first half of December, and then Bangalore in February. There are many, many features, by the way, and you will see them. You will find them slowly as you go through the flight. But the one that you will get to experience the most is the new Club Suite. And this is our new generation of business class Club World. Now, this is a big year for us, as you can imagine. And if we had to pick a year when we launch a new Club Suite, a new Club seat, this year is a fantastic year to do so.
It actually has one of the best interiors, I say.
So my name's Phil, I'm the captain on the aircraft today, but we have 3 captains because it's an inaugural flight. So we have Captain Mike joining us. Hi. And also keeping an eye on us as well, we have Captain Rob.
Hi there, hi.
As an inaugural flight, you get 3 captains for the price of 1. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you. It's the captain speaking. My name's Phil Ticehurst. Welcome on board our British Airways operated flight to Madrid. Joining me on the flight deck today, we have Captain Mike Blythe and Captain Rob Hall, and we'll be cruising today at an altitude of 35,000 feet and about 85% of the speed of sound. Our flying time down to Madrid, 1 hour and 45 minutes. I hope you'll enjoy the flight.
For those customers sitting in our club suite, your shoulder harness is attached like this.
A350, which is the latest family member of British Airways.
Cabin crew, thank you, seats for landing.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, take care. Thank you, bye.
Thank you for flying me, goodbye!
Hey guys, so with that said, we would like to end our video here. So as always, if you like our video, please hit the like button and press the share button to share this video to your friends. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to see more videos. Please write down your reviews in the comment section and don't forget to check out the video sites mentioned in the description box. The next video will be uploaded in a few weeks, so stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.